I'm super excited to be showcasing Luv-a-Duck's brand new product, their Thai red duck curry. Today I'm making a Thai red curry sweet potato dish. So this is the type of dish you get home from a long day at work, you've got this in the fridge, this is your vehicle to success. So all you have to do with these packets, they're fantastic, you just open it up and throw it into the pan just to heat through. It's already cooked, it's just heat and eat, which is what we love. Now the great thing with this product is you can decide how spicy you want it. If you want it a little bit more mild, just add some coconut milk. While that's heating through, I've got my baked sweet potato here, and we just want to give it a good mash. Then into our curry, good old frozen corn and frozen peas, in they go. We've all got them in the freezer. We'll get our serving bowl, then we'll get our baked sweet potato, add into our bowl, spread it out, then we'll spoon some of this gorgeous curry with the peas and the corn. I love bean sprouts, so I want a nice pile of them on top. Good sprinkle of spring onion over the top. There you go, legends. My Thai red duck curry sweet potato using Luv-a-Duck's Thai red duck curry. It's heat and eat, it's fast and furious. It's just really delicious.